Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. In this video we are talking about mining pets in PetsGo. So with the new mining updates we got a lot of mining pets, and I figured out there is a way to get boosts from using them, from equipping them actually. So you can see on the left side you will get speed and damage boost if you equip your mining pets while you're mining. So I'm sure you got some mining pets by rolling for the past 1 week, and those pets are actually equipable. If you go into your pets inventory and you write mining in the search bar, you will see all the mining pets that you got. Not all of them actually, I will get to that later, but some of them you can see like this. Just unequip all of your pets and equip your mining pets instead of them. As you do that, you will see your mining pets did boost your mining damage and speed. As you can see on my screen, I got 4.5 speed boost and 4.5 damage boost from these 5 pets that I equipped. But the problem for me with this was that as soon as I started rolling, my new better pets just started equipping themselves automatically, and they got equipped instead of my mining pets. So what you need to do to stop this, if you have the same problem, you need to go to your settings on the left and find this button, turn it off. This is auto equip pets option, which will automatically equip your pets, and we don't need that right now, so we will turn that off. That's the only thing that you need to do, and then equip your mining pets again and you will be good to go. Continue mining with the boost activated. So one more thing you should know, you can get a lot of mining pets out of this new magma eggs. So here if we open one, we got Hell Fox. So when we go to our inventory again and write mining, you can see our Hell Fox is nowhere to be found. So we will write Hell, and like this we can find it. We can see also other Hell pets that we got, but you can see beneath those you don't have the description saying that they will help you mining. So you must find those pets that have in their description this part. From the magma egg helps you mine. So when you see that in the description written with these gray letters, you know that this pet will help you mine. So let's equip that one. And the only thing that I don't like, honestly, is that even though this pet is legendary, I still have the same boost as earlier with the uncommon and common pets. So you can see the rarity doesn't make any difference with mining pets boost. So to summarize, everything you need to know about mining pets is actually you need to read those descriptions and equip those pets that will help you mine actually. In the search bar you can search them only by name, and that's the only thing that's bad. You cannot search their description, you need to use their names to be able to find them. And that's all that you need to know about mining pets, guys, and how to get the boost by using your mining pets and equipping them. Let me know down in the comments if you have any questions for me about these mining pets, what you think about the boost, and have you used it, and did this help you to get some huge pet out of mining? Let me know if you have some very rare mining pet that can help you even more with the boost, or is it all the same for every mining pet that we equip? That's all from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel if you would like more of this kind of videos, and I will see you in the next one.